Aloha from Maui, and for today's tutorial we are going to be doing a little bit of drum solo technique, tabla solo, a little bit of fusion, and this is a little snippet of my Alice in Wonderland production. This is a scene called Eat Me, Drink Me, when Alice shrinks and rises. So a couple of things, a couple of options. You can do a big level change, or you can just stay up and do those reverse eights. So see what feels good to you. Check out the knees. Make sure you're nice and warmed up. So we're doing these reverse eights, a vertical eight, lifting up and over. And then I like to what I call a kickstand. So I have one foot lifted, and as I go down, I start to lift the other heel. So a little bit of space. It's easier for balance. And you're going to start with that right hip. So we're going to go, again, you can do this up or up and down. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And while you're down, you're going to do, let me get on the angle so you can see. We're going to do chest drops. Drop, 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 drop. So use that diaphragm, use those pecs. Drop, 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 drop. 7, 8. And then shoulder shimmies to come up. Use your legs to come up. And again, if you're not doing the full sit, you can just do a little level change, chest drop, and then shoulder shimmy to rise up. So see what feels good to you. So we have an 8 count to rise up with that shoulder shimmy, and then we do a camel with the shoulder shimmy, only shoulders here. Then we're going to go plant those heels, get a nice Egyptian shimmy. We're going to do chest circle 2 times to the left, drop, drop, and scoop to the left, come up on the toes. Front back with a shimmy, tuck, tuck, and snap. And we kind of hit those heels to make it percussive. So here we go. From the second part, once you've stood up, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, tuck, tuck, and snap. Drop the hands to the pocket. We're going to rock it. Get a little bit of space between your feet. Not too far. Think about a shaka, right? And then you're going to rock that shimmy. Legs are very straight using that Egyptian shimmy. We go right, left, turn, and you end on the profile. Left heel is lifted, and you're going to do a vertical circle here. Don't let that heel collapse. So for you on your left hip, this is your left hip, circle, circle, circle. So don't let that heel come up and down. And of course, it's a shimmy, so we are going to shimmy while we do that circle. We have 3 of those circles. We have circle, 2, 3, and wrap the arms, turn, 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 arms come up, wrists come together. It's very much in the BDE and BDX style of dance. Wrists come together. Boom, very sharp, very dramatic ending. Let's do it again. Let's try this one without the level change, just to get those drills in. So we do a Maya for 2 counts of 8. Competing with the birds here. I'm sure you can hear them singing in the background. All right, let's take it from the top. I'm not going to drop all the way down. Let's just see what that looks like with a little bit less of a full sit. 2 counts of 8 on the Maya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, shoulder shimmy up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Big camel, especially with that upper body, only the shoulders are going. And then we're going to do Egyptian shimmy, 2 chest circles, drop, drop, push to the diagonal. Front and back and tuck, tuck, down. And side, and side, and side, side. Wrap, turn, 1, 2, 3, wrap and snap. And I mean snap, I just want it nice and sharp. Let's do it one more time with counts, and then we'll drill it a bunch of times with music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maya, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chest drop, you can add the arms if that feels good. Shoulder shimmy to come up. 5, 6, 7, 8. And camel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to get heels on the floor. Chest, 1, 2, 3, 4, and drop, drop, push to the side, and front, and back, and tuck, tuck, down, and side, quick, quick turn, up and roll. 2, 3, wrap, 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 boom. Sharp ending, nice and sharp, nice and percussive. Let's drill this a bunch of times with music, and then make sure you're warmed up, make sure those legs are nice and warm, make sure you've got your heels planted when you're doing the Egyptian shimmy, and make sure you're clarifying only the shoulder shimmy here. So you have that nice shift and change of movement in energy, and also when the music really kicks up there nice and fast. All right, eat me, drink me, a little snippet from Alice in Wonderland, and let's drill it a bunch of times with music.